Hey everybody, quick video on a weird item that I found. So this phone, this really ugly vintage phone, is from Mexico, of all places. And this stuff kind of fascinates me. Unitel. I'm assuming it says property of Telefonos de Mexico SA. It's very lightweight. Very very borderline Soviet looking telephone. It is very ugly. My real question is, how does this stuff end up here? Because you got to think about it. Like, this is the property of the phone company in Mexico, right? And then somebody decides to personally bring it up here, like way into, like not even to the border, but well into the mainland of the United States, because they just had to have this grotesquely ugly phone that is devoid of all design and style. Unbelievable. Anyway, just a really weird item. I'm always puzzled. How does this stuff end up here? I mean, truly, how does this stuff even end up coming into America? What an odd item. A authentic property of Mexican telephone company phone from, I'm guessing, the 70s. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Cheers.